Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your edit look a little bit more 4K. Copy and paste your video, go to adjustments, go to curves, and do the same thing I'm doing right now. So the left dot should be at the top, the right one should be at the bottom. Do that to all of the colors. Oops. Like so. Go to effects and add in blur. It's under lens and place it at 100%. Select your video, go back to video, go to the blend mode under basic and select color burn and adjust the opacity to your liking. Go to stock videos here, go to background and select the white stock video. Going to freeze frame it as well. Adjust it, blend mode, overlay, and again adjust the opacity of that. Select your current video, like the first one, go to adjustments and go back to basic. Adjust the temperatures and the saturation of your video here. And make sure you make the sharpen one to the very right as well as the clarity maybe at like 50-ish%. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!